If you want to change wallpaper on Google Pixel 11 Pro, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Now, over here in Settings, you can easily find Wallpaper and Style, so let's just go over here. And then at the bottom, you should be able to find this More Wallpapers button, so tap on that. In here, we have a bunch of different categories that allow you to choose the wallpaper that you wish to use on your phone. We can also find a bunch of different collections, so let's say I'm going to choose one of these collections, and if you happen to find the wallpaper that you like, that you wish to use, then you can of course tap on that wallpaper. Here we have the preview. You should also be able to tap on the preview to then, for example, adjust the position of the wallpaper, so you can probably use your finger to adjust the position of that. You can also zoom in and zoom out if necessary, and then we can tap on this check in the upper right corner to go back to the preview here, and then we can go next. Now here we have the option to decide if you want to set the wallpaper on the lock screen or home screen or both. If you want to exclude one of these screens, then of course you can just tap on that check and tap on apply here to set up the wallpaper. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.